Hey everyone, you need an extra hand at the anvil? I sure do. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my chain hold down. So here I have an old motorcycle chain and a scrap piece of 1/4-inch round bar with some threads on either side. I'm going to forge this out into a triangle to make a stirrup. I'm going to taper this down, get it nice and flat towards the ends. That way we can punch a hole in there and slip a bolt through and mount it to the chain. Now I'm going to finish forging out the triangle. I try to work both sides equally, that way those tabs will line up in the middle. I just use some pliers to straighten out these tabs. Now here I'm going to run a drill bit through it, that way I have nice clean holes for the bolt to slip through. I run the bolt through and use lock washers to make sure it's nice and tight. So here I use my angle grinder and a cutoff wheel to cut the extra length off that bolt. Alright, now we're all done. I just need to mount this to the anvil stand and we can start using it. Here I just use a screw and a couple washers to keep it in place. Thank you for watching everyone. I really appreciate it. If you do like this video, please click the like button and subscribe.